So imagine you have a story you want to tell, just like in your favorite cartoons or movies. Adobe Express helps you bring your story to life with an awesome animation. It is like having your own magic wand to make things move and talk on the screen. So, this is Adobe Express. The site is adobe.com/express. Come here and you log into your account. However, you will not find the option of animate from audio on the drop-down bars because the tool is still in beta. Rather, you come here to new.express.adobe.com/tools/animate from audio. I have dropped the link on the description. Now, to start your animation, the first thing you do is you come here to the size. The size matters. This is the ratios. You also have the size that fits various social media. Now let's use YouTube. In YouTube, and I click on landscape 16:9. The next thing you do is you go to your character. You select from any of the various characters you have here. Let's go with Rizzini. Okay, after selecting Rizzini, then you go to background. They have various options, cool looking backgrounds here. Let's select summer forests. That should do. Now that both our background and character are ready, the next thing we're going to do is to upload our audio. Now there are two ways to upload the audio. You can either record directly or you upload from your PC or mobile device. I'll be uploading from my PC. Click on browse and I will select my file and I'll click open. Now it is loading. Adobe Express is super easy to use. It's mostly just drag and drop. Okay, our video is ready. The next thing we do is download. Give it a try, and who knows, you might be the next big animator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our fun videos. See you next time and keep creating.